Hello, hello. So this week's sign set is, and I don't know how to flip this around. They took that away from us. You used to be able to flip it around. So this is going to show backwards. I apologize. It does say welcome to our home, and it's got tiger lilies. Can you guys see that? Pink tiger lilies on it. It's a 12-inch metal round. And we have paired it up with this. This ribbon is so nice. It is a 2.5 hot pink cross hatch. This ribbon actually looks like it's leather. It's really cool. I'm not going to open it because this kit, I'm not actually doing it. So if I open it, then I'd have to do it. And then it's paired with the pink tiger lilies that are on the sign. Is this double-sided? It's the new line, so it's the new Brilliance line. It's not double-sided, but it's very thick. Beautiful ribbon. That is a nice ribbon. So we paired it with a 2.5-inch cross hatch hot pink. So you guys can pick, I would probably pick a green, any kind of green mesh to go in with your ribbons and stuff. You could do it on the oval, you can do it on the ring, you could do it on the large. Pick a board. That's why we were doing these ribbon sets. Pick your favorite. Lots of people have their favorite boards. Pick a board, pick your favorite mesh. A lot of people like fabric mesh, others like horizontal wide stripe. So we figured if we just paired the signs and the ribbons, then you guys could just pick the other stuff to go with it. So check out our sprays and florals, because there's all kinds of like light pink florals that would go with all this as well. I don't know if I would put tiger lilies with it because there is a lot of tiger lily going on here. So anyways, the sign and the 2 ribbons, I believe, is $15, which is pretty good. And that is welcome to our home set V 2025. Okay, so that's the ribbon and mesh. And the kit this week, I'm actually excited about the kit this week because I actually made the sign. I designed the sign myself. I love doing that. So every once in a while I will do that. I used to do it all the time, but I don't really have time anymore. So we had this ribbon. This is a really, really popular ribbon. I had a whole bunch of it in stock. So I thought, you know what? I love this ribbon. Everybody loves a good Harley Quinn. And it's lime green and hot pink and gold. But there's no sign that would match it. So I thought, okay, I'm going to make one. So I made, again, this is going to be backwards, guys, but I made this 10-inch, it is 10-inch sign with the lime green, hot pink, gold Harley Quinn. And in the center, it says, hello, so happy to see you. I thought it was just such a fun sign and to go with all these colors. I'll show you what else is in it. I paired it because I want the sign and I want this ribbon to like really pop. Okay, I want you to be able to see it from space. So I paired it with a black and white mesh in behind. And then I added a 1-inch leaf filigree. Now this is really cool. It's a new ribbon. Look at the wire on this ribbon. This ribbon, if you check it out, we have all different colors on our website. This stuff is fabulous and is so inexpensive. It's crazy. I don't know how or why, but look at this. And it almost feels like it's like almost like a leather velvet. Don't know why it's inexpensive, but this is fabulous. So you get this in your kit with this and the sign and the black and white. So when I wanted to pull in some white for the black and all that, dropped it off. I will be doing this kit. So I threw in the kit 3 of these white sprays, and this is going to be you get the large board. So you get 3 of these, my favorite sprays, 3 of them. They're just various variegated greens and the white flowers. So we're pulling in the white to go in with everything. Why did I drop everything? Oh, sorry guys, my back is really bad these days. I just dropped everything too. I'm sorry. Anyways, so let's bring this down a bit. There we go. Sign, mesh, ribbon, black ribbon, and again, this is a 1-inch, and 3 of the sprays. You get the large board, and I can't believe this ribbon. Like, this ribbon is absolutely fabulous. And I put it in with with pipe cleaners, this one. Yes, so you get a pack of black pipe cleaners. Hold on. I'm going to do it Jackie style. Jackie Blewett style. So you get your black pipe cleaners, and also in the kit, I actually put cable mount. I personally put automotive tape on the back of the cable mounts. So your cable mount, your sign won't come off your cable mount. So I did that myself while watching TV. So you do, that's you get all that in your kit, and of course your measuring tape and everything. So that is this week's kit. Love it. Very simple, but it's going to be a fun looking, bright, cheery. And I loved the hello with the heart. Fun, fun, fun. So that's all we got this week. There is a ton of new ribbons on the website that was loaded last week. I didn't get a chance to even come on last week to talk to you guys about all the stuff. But we got all kinds of cut mesh. The cut mesh, I'm loving the cut mesh. The cut mesh is so nice. It makes these nice, I'll be using cut mesh a lot, but makes great ruffles. Like, anyways. And then we have, I know I'm kind of jumping the gun. Next week we have a new product line coming out. Super excited about it. I can't tell you too much. I think the media team is going to be starting to put out hints about it. This is really exciting. Nobody's done anything like this before, so that is definitely why I'm not telling anybody. Because, yeah. So look for that next week. Oh, I love you too. Here we go. It's just a baby, and then at 7 o'clock she turns into the Tasmanian devil. No! We have a love-hate, me and her. Last night I went to cards. Last night was the first night I've been separated from her ever since we got her. And Dave had to babysit. That didn't go well. I think she has a little bit of separation anxiety already for me, with me not being here. So I'm not sure how I'm going to fix that, because I'm home 24/7. So she's with me 24/7. So I don't know. But I came home at 10 o'clock last night from cards, and Dave and her and lady were still up. Dave usually goes to bed at like 8:30, so and he was all frazzled. He looked like, you know, when you have young kids and you leave the husband home for a couple hours to go out with the girls, and you come back and the husband's all frazzled. That's what he looked like.
Because they conspired against
The dogs conspired against him. I pulled up in the driveway and I seen the main lights on in the living room, and I thought, uh-oh. When I come home from cards, it's always dark except for the outside light, and when I seen all the lights still on, I'm like, ugh, that's not going to be good. So, she turns into Tasmanian devil. Right, Cheech? All right, thanks. Everybody have a wonderful rest of your day, and be kind. Bye, everybody.